Getting there. Just got to weld it in now. Nice. Bit of manipulation in that one. Time for a wheel welt. Looking alright now. That's all welded in. You know, not perfect, but we're loving it. It's pretty much there now. I think now if you just shake the phone, kind of looks like there's paint on it. Nearly there. I think I'm going to leave it there for now. It's going to take me a while to finish the rest of it. Yeah, I'm fucking delighted. You barely even notice now. Once all back together, should be bang tidy.